we made it. Episode 2. All 15 of us. This episode is brought to you by... So in this episode, I'm going to go over a few things that I've recently gotten for the Verossa. I've been selling some things that won't fit the Verossa that I've had, and let's get into it. What you doing, Evan?
Replacing the airline on this tire machine.
So I started with the aero bits. I got GK Tech mirrors for this thing. Waiting on Ganadors once I find them with a good price. Really was an easy install. Took off the door panel, standard Toyota stuff. The mirror base I was stoked on. It fit really flush. Just had to drill some holes. I wanted to get these on with very little damage to the car since I do want to get Ganadors when I can afford and find them. Besides drilling 2 holes, the only thing I had to do was cut this tweeter mount. Everything went on great. Super happy with the install, and it looks way better than stock.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Also, if you guys have any questions or want to see something specifically, just leave a comment below. I'd love to hear some feedback also, how the videos are going. Even if you want to see more interior stuff, something closer, whatever. I really wish you guys could smell through the screen. This car smells so good. I don't know what it is. And let's get back to the mirrors. Absolutely love the way they turned out. Super easy to mount, super flush. What's going on in there? What the? Whoa. Okay, sorry about that. My KFD full suspension rear kit and front upper control arms came in. Really stoked on the quality of these. Was doing a lot of research and found that they use some pretty good materials. So I can't wait to get these on and start dialing in the suspension. None of this is sponsored. I figured I might as well just, give out information, and if I can help somebody, then that rules. I love getting stuff in the mail. I got my Odyssey Fab knuckles. Really excited about these. He's using Moog ball joints with like a Spicer bearing style setup. Just a really high quality ball joint. Going to be installing these when I do the other suspension after the motor swap is done. I threw in some awesome stickers, and I suggest you check them out. Whoa, for a second there, I actually forgot you were real.
What the f*** is that supposed to mean?
No, it's nothing. Just this dream I had. So, what are you doing today, man?
I'm just gonna sit here and, ponder what's going on in my reality. What about you?
I'm just gonna go to the garage. Do some more Verossa vlogging.
Oh, that's right. the vlog. Trying to be like Andy RC or whatever the his name is.
Oh yeah, thanks. Thanks for being so supportive, dude. That means a lot.
No, I'm supportive. I just don't think what you're doing is very funny.
Oh.
Kinda lame. Your jokes are lame. You're lame. You know.
Whoa. All right, cool. Well, I'm gonna head out, so since you suck, and side note, if I catch you f***ing my socks anymore, I'm gonna cut your little foam off. So, yeah.
What? What? Okay. This shit's stupid.
My roof wing came in. I think every four-door sedan needs a roof wing, no trunk wing, but that's just my opinion. This thing's pretty sweet. Thanks to Orgasm Style in Russia for hooking that up and also sending this sweet death metal style logo. I will definitely be putting this on because I love, orgasms and stuff and death metal and fucking Also, my pedal assembly showed up from Japan, so now we can start the 5-speed swap, and I'm pretty stoked on that. And I guess this is a good time to announce some other things that I'm going to be doing on this channel. I'm going to be doing track reviews, driver profiles, team profiles, probably some cool builds of other team members, etc. And I'm really just trying to bring as much good content as I can to the channel. And everything I'm doing is because I'd like to morph into a panda bear. With your help, for just $1.99 per month, I may be able to achieve this dream. So please like and subscribe, and I told you guys this is going to happen. So it's on you. Sucker!